Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to show you some of the new yarn from King Cole, and this is Dalesway Chunky. I also have some of the Homespun Aran. These are the patterns for the Homespun Aran. I don't have any of the patterns, but you can use other Aran patterns and chunky patterns from King Cole. You can go to your nearest stockist of King Cole yarn and they will have the patterns that are seen here. I've just got a selection of some of the yarns and we're going to have a look at that. Now the Dalesway yarn, it's all the colourways are done from the Yorkshire Dales. And I love the way that they pick places in the UK to name a lot of their yarns. Now in this Dalesway yarn there's 14 different shades and there's 9 different patterns, and you can go on King Cole's website, but they won't sell it direct to you. They do sell it to stockists. So if you go to your nearest stockist, look online, just put on King Cole Dalesway Chunky and you'll find lots and lots of sellers. You can also go on King Cole's website and click on a stockist near you and they'll tell you exactly where if you put your postcode in, they'll tell you where the nearest stockist is if you want to buy it out in the street. But there are lots and lots online. Lovecrafts do it. I know Wool Warehouse do it. There's several other places do it as well. So we're going to do the Dalesway Chunky and then we're going to have a little look at some of the new Homespun Aran yarn as well. I didn't get any of the patterns for the Homespun Aran. Their patterns are already out. So with the Homespun Aran, there is 11 different shades. Now there is other homespun family of yarn. Now it says the Dalesway Chunky is the colour of the countryside, and based on the Yorkshire Dales. Look at that, is pretty. Well, oh, look at that. That is really nice. That's pretty, that mint green. Now I'm going to pop that there. If you hear some noise in the background, Muttley's actually sitting on my floor trying to find all these places to hide a ball in my craft room. Now this is based on the beautiful colours of the Yorkshire Dales. There's 14 different colourways in this chunky yarn. So this yarn is going to show up, if you knit, it'll show up patterns really well because most of it is all solid colours. Now there's 14. I've got 2 balls. I've got 3 and I've got 2 balls each. I can get more if I want to get some more. Now this one, it's 100 grams in each ball. That's 151 yards. That's 138 meters. It's a blended yarn, 25% wool, 70% premium acrylic. You can wash this in a wool wash. Now it tells you 30 degrees or under. Somebody told me what that A was and I can't remember. It tells you not to iron it, don't bleach it. You can put it in a tumble dryer on cool. Make sure it's cool. I prefer just to air dry it. And oh, I just cannot remember what that A means again. Somebody will tell me. Somebody will go on. I'll maybe just Google it. Now this one is called a Kettlewell. The shade number is 6554 and this is a chunky yarn. I think in the USA that might be a weight 5 or 6. I know Aran's a 4 and I know the UK DK is a 3. So I know that. So this is a chunky and I would say it's maybe a 5 or 6. I don't know what the number is for chunky in the USA, but it's soft and you can smell the wool blend in there. Oh, I love the smell of nice fresh yarn. Everybody wonders what the heck. I says, well, whatever turns you on. Now this is a beautiful shade. It's like To me, it's like a sort of burnt mustard colour. It's beautiful. I think you should bring this Dalesway out in a double knitting, or even at Aran. It's beautiful. So that one is Kettlewell. I'm going to pop that down there. Take that, and I'll just remind you of the number of that. It's so soft. That one is 6554, and it's called Kettlewell, and it's in the Dalesway Chunky range. Now the next one, that's pretty. I would say that's sort of grey to silver. Now this one is called Hubber Home. Just think of all the places that they've got in the All Creatures Great and Small programme, all the ones that are done in the Dales. The number for this one is 6552. It's that blend, again, 25% wool, 75% premium acrylic. And it is beautiful. It is so soft. Look how soft that is. It's a beautiful shade as well. That's so pretty. Now, I've got 2 of those to make something, and this one, I love the shade of this one. Look at that. Even that one and that one together. Don't be afraid to blend colours that you might not think will go together, but they will. Look at that. Now this one is Apple Tree Wick, and the number is 6558. When you buy a lot of yarn, make sure your die numbers are all the same so that you don't get very subtle changes in the die if you're making a big item. And that is the King Cole Dalesway Chunky. But it's worthwhile. Go and have a look online. You can join King Cole. You can join them on Instagram, Facebook, and I don't know if they're on TikTok. I'll need to ask someone. So that leads us to the Homespun Aran. I love Aran yarn. I love the weight of Aran yarn. In between double knitting and chunky. And it makes so much really beautiful, beautiful items. Now this one has all these little pieces in, like the other homespun ones. And it gives a little texture to the yarn. This is a beautiful shade. Now this one has 11 colours in it. Now there is Homespun DK. So in the Homespun Aran, here are all the shades of that. There is Snow, Hollyberry, Ocean Skies, Night Sky, Lupin, Harvest, Cloud, Fern, Ice Blue, Marshmallow, and Ruby. There's 11 shades in this one. Now this is a wool blend as well, and this has got merino in it, and it's really, really soft. Got a little bit there. Now I'm going to find that these are in 50-gram balls, so to get 100 grams obviously you're going to need 2. It tells you to use a 5mm crochet hook or knitting needle. That is a USA. Oh, this chunky one. Go back to that. It tells you to use a 6mm, or that's a USA 10 for that. This has a blend of fine merino superwash yarn. That means you can wash it on a wool wash on your washing machine. There's 22.5% in fine merino, 22.5% in alpaca, 30% acrylic, 22.5 polyamide, and 2.5 in viscose. So that's going to make it real hard wearing but soft, and smells delicious. It smells yarnier, if that's a word. It smells yarnier than the Dalesway, but I think that's the different wools that are in there. It is beautiful. Now there is 120 yards. That's 110 metres in a 50-gram ball. There's 11 colourways. Now, let's go through some of the colours. This one is called Lupin. This is Lupin. And the shade number is 6237. That is beautiful. Look at that. I love that colour. Now, I got 2 of those. I'm going to just pop those aside. Now this blue one, this is beautiful. It's like a denim. This one is, turn it around. This is Ocean Skies. That is beautiful. I like that. So that is so, oh, it's squidgy, squidgy. I wish you could see how squidgy and soft this is. So this one is Ocean Skies, and the shade number is 6232 for that one. I'll take those two out. What else? We've got this one. This one is, go to this side. This is Fern. It's a beautiful shade of nice and autumn. Even going in after winter, coming into sort of early spring, these colours are beautiful. Beautiful for sweaters. And I've used some of the Homespun and it crochets up absolutely beautiful. Now with this one, I think it's 2 strands again spun together. This one's 3. This is 3 thinner strands spun together. And it doesn't split, so don't think, oh, it's 3 strands, it's going to split on me. It doesn't split. Once you put your needles or your hook through it, it actually works up really, really well. And it's quick and it's soft. It's really soft. That's a big plus when your yarn feels soft in your hands. Now, the Fern, the shade number is 6234 for the Fern. And you can go on to the websites or onto King Co and see all the other shades. Now with this one you can really see these little nap pieces of colour in there that gives it a nice texture. And when it's crocheted up, it's really, really pretty. Now this one, turn it that way. Get it right, Ali, come on. Now this one is Marshmallow. Look at that. I love marshmallows. Love the smell of them when you open up the bag. When we were kids, my sisters and I, we used to try and put as many in your mouth before you choked. Oh gosh, the things you used to do when you were kids, just to see who could get as many in. I just swallowed them because I just liked them so much. Now this one, the shade number for this is 6239 for that one. And I got 2 of those. It's a little bit of a quick video. The rest of it's just its packing. And do you know what? I've been actually quite missing having the little squares of chocolate and the little bags. I give the bags to my daughter and she gives them away when she does a little car boot. She does a little car boot every now and then and she gives those bags away. And it's great for a lot of people who crochet and knit. They're really good bags. I haven't got one right to hand just to show you what it is. They're like lifelong bags. And these are beautiful. I'm going to pop these back in the box. And I want to thank King Co especially. Please, if you have time, subscribe to the channel. It's completely free to subscribe to the channel. And give the video a thumbs up as well. If you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you, they'll give you a little alert. Alison's put up another video. Go have a look if you want. And you've got to click on that bell. And if you no longer get a notification, just unclick the bell and then click back on it again. Sometimes YouTube's algorithm goes a little bit potty at times. So do that. It's completely free to subscribe. And I want to thank you all if you've given the video a thumbs up or a comment. I get so many comments. I do read them and I do reply to ones that have got questions. I do my best with that, but there is just so many and I can't get around all of them. I do apologise for that. But on Facebook, you can put a comment on Facebook, and my friend Liz, she's been crocheting and knitting even longer than I have. And she is a wonderful, wonderful person. She's great to chat to as well. So pop along there and it's free to follow or to join on Facebook as well. So until the next time, happy crafting and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.